everyone, welcome back. I'm Swati. Today we are going to talk about top 5 vegetables that you can grow in partial shade in your balcony in pots and containers very easily. They doesn't require a lot of effort and few of them can be grown in winter, so you can start growing them right away in September or by October. And I hope after watching today's video you will surely give it a try growing these vegetables. So the first vegetable or herb in our list is ginger. Yes, gingers can be very easily grown in partial shade in pots and containers. All you need to keep in mind is choose a wider pot or container. It doesn't require to be really deep because gingers grow horizontally. So you can grow them in partial shade. They doesn't like harsh afternoon sunlight. So make sure when you're growing in pots or containers or even in your garden, you sow them or you keep the pot somewhere it gets filtered sunlight, preferably morning sunlight, 1 to 2 hours of sunlight in the morning. And when it comes to how to grow them, take store-bought gingers, choose the older ones, not the fresh and tender ones. Choose the older ginger and you can take 3 to 4 inches pieces of ginger and look for growth buds or eye buds in the piece. Prepare a fluffy, airy and soft potting mix for gingers because every root vegetable's soil mix has to be fluffy so that it can spread easily. And when we talk about its potting mix, choose 50% garden soil, 25% coco peat and 25% compost and sand mixture. So this is the perfect or ideal potting mix for growing gingers. Then sow the ginger pieces into this potting mix facing those eye buds upwards. And this will take around 10 months to get ready to be harvested, so you need to have patience. And after sowing, you will see the germination on or the leaf coming out in around 3 to 4 weeks. So again, you need to have patience when you are planning to grow gingers. They're super easy to grow. Make sure during its growth period you keep the soil moist all the time, but never overwater it, otherwise your roots will get rotten. I have a separate video on growing gingers right from sowing the rhizome till harvesting. I have shared its link. Please do check it for more information. So the second herb or vegetable that can be easily grown in partial shade is turmeric. Similarly, like gingers, they also grow horizontally, so you don't need to take a deeper pot for this. Try to choose a wider size pot or container for growing this. Again, your potting soil or the potting mix has to be soft and fluffy and airy so that its root can spread easily. And for growing turmeric, again you need to take the tender rhizomes. They are very much available in shops or online stores as well. If your balcony or your garden doesn't get more than 2 to 3 hours of sunlight, turmeric and gingers are perfect herbs or vegetables to grow. The third vegetable that you can grow very easily in partial shade is capsicum or the bell pepper. Yes, they don't require 6 to 7 hours of sunlight. If your balcony or your garden gets 3 to 4 hours of sunlight, you can very easily grow bell peppers or capsicums. When we talk about how to grow them, you can very easily grow them from the store-bought capsicum. Yes, cut the capsicum, take out the seeds and you can grow your bell pepper plant right from those raw seeds. It doesn't need to be ripened. It's okay because I have tried growing them from store-bought capsicum. They are super easy to grow. Within 4 to 5 days after sowing seeds, you will see the seeds have started germinating. And from sowing seeds till harvesting, it will not take more than 2.5 months. So do give it a try. So the next herb or vegetable that you can very easily grow in partial shade is all green leafy vegetables. Be it coriander, spinach, mustard leaves, mint. They can be very easily grown in partial shade. That doesn't require a lot of sunlight. If your kitchen gets 2 to 3 hours of sunlight near the windowsill, you can grow them in pots and containers. Mint can be very easily grown from cuttings from the store-bought mint. And corianders you can easily grow in kitchen or in your balcony or in your garden. So do give it a try. They are super easy to grow, and they are grown during winters. Similarly, capsicum you can start sowing right now in September itself, and this is also a winter vegetable. The last vegetable that you can very easily grow in partial shade is radish. Yes, radishes don't require a lot of sunlight. It doesn't require 7 to 8 hours of sunlight to grow. You can grow them in partial shade very easily if your balcony or garden gets 3 to 4 hours of sunlight. Morning sunlight will also do, and you can grow them from seed and they'll get ready to harvest within 2 to 2.5 months. You can easily grow them in pots and containers. The only thing you need to keep in mind is choose a deeper size pot, because the root grows inside the pot, inside the soil. So it has to be deeper, and it doesn't require much effort. Surely you can give it a try. With your kids you can grow them, and within 2.5 months it will be ready to harvest also. Again, I have a separate video on growing radishes. I have shared its link in the description box. Please do check it for complete information on this vegetable. So these are 5 vegetables or herbs that you can grow very easily in pots and containers if your balcony or your garden doesn't get more than 3 to 4 hours of sunlight. Do give it a try and share your experiences with me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.